Maida powder. BBR talas na. Hindi na lang nakabisado ko. Why not?
Okay lang yung tabi na lang. Pagkasunod naman, hindi.
Pagkasunod yung upper, ito yung tabi na si Miley Cyrus. Ako muna ako, si
Miley Cyrus.
Si Why Not muna?
Miley Cyrus.
Guys and gift
Baka, ano ko lang
guys.
yun sa kabisado.
Okay.
Si Why Not,
Guys
Shell
and
donut
gift.
with peanut filling. Top
No,
with
I'm not.
white chocolate. Tama? Opo. Top with white chocolate. Garnish with 5-6 of light of dark chocolate. Panda.
Hindi pa tapos talaga.
Ulit. Huwag mo nang sabihin.
Hindi na
Brand
yan?
lang yan na ano.
Okay.
Okay na, thank you.
Tiramisu.
Si tiramisu name is shell donut
Guys,
with
send
peanut
gift.
chocolate filling. Top with tiramisu topping.
Send gift guys.
And garnish with cocoa powder.
Si Coco Loco.
Cocoa Loco naman is shell donut with chocolate cream. Ay, hindi, chocolate filling. Cocoa Loco, shell donut with chocolate filling. Topped with dark chocolate. Included
Snow White.
milk. Snow White naman is shell donut with shell donut with vanilla cream filling, topped with sugar rice topping. Tapos si Miley Cyrus naman is shell donut topped with
Milo Soros to, di ba?
Saurus din.
Saurus ba?
Saurus. Kahit si Miley Cyrus ba? Dinosaur na tawag ng iba na daw siya. So si Miley Cyrus, shell
Like
donut,
and comment. Thank
shell
you, Paolo.
donut with Milo filling. Tama? Shell donut with Milo filling, topped with Milo topping. Huh?
Ulitin mo. Milo Soros.
Guys and gift
Shell
guys.
donut with Milo filling, topped with milk chocolate, and sprinkle with
Sprinkle.
sprinkle. Okay na yung sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle with Milo powder.
Ano sabihin sprinkle? Basta
Sprinkle.
Bisaya ka.
Bisaya man gid ko, oy. Maybe masasarap na yung custard nila. Di ba favorite mo yung baby? Favorite mo yung ano nga to? Favorite mo din mo yung Bavarian? Masasarap na yung mga custard eh. Masarap na yung custard.